So recently, I made a video showcasing the with React library, which essentially allows you to write hooks as components in React, which is really cool and has some very valuable use cases. Now, expectedly, I got a lot of hate from everyone watching on that, when really I shouldn't, because if you're hating on this library, then you don't understand how this library actually works. So here's a great example that shows just how powerful this library actually is. So here I have some server action, right? It's doing something cool, user imagination, and then we're using it inside of this component here. But what we're doing is we're using the with transition component from with React, the library, which gives us access to the is pending boolean over here, and then the start transition function that we can directly call in this button here inside of the component here. We don't have to create another component. Now this is very useful because the alternative is to do this. You have to literally create a whole other component, and then you have to use the use transition, which gives you access to the same is pending, the same start transition, and then you're doing literally the same exact thing. Using the with transition component over here saves you the need to create a custom component, which really just for this button is not needed, and you can do everything in line inside of the JSX. And look, if you don't want to install another library because you're scared of new libraries, that's totally fine. Just go ahead and take the code over here, put it in your project, and don't install anything because it literally is that simple.